Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a product that could be a real lifesaver for anyone still relying on their trusty Epson Perfection 1260 J121A scanner, the CJP-Geek AC-DC adapter. This isn't an original Epson part, but it's presented as a high-quality, compatible replacement power supply unit, and it brings some impressive features to the table. First off, let's talk about its universal appeal. With an input voltage range of 100 to 240 V AC and a frequency of 50-60 Hz, this adapter is truly designed for global use. Whether someone is traveling or simply has different power standards in their home or office, this CJP-Geek unit is ready to plug in and power up without a hitch. That kind of versatility is a huge plus for any electronic accessory. One of the standout aspects highlighted is its comfortable use. This suggests a design that allows for easy connection to various power sockets, whether in a living room, bedroom, office, or even in an outdoor setting if the scanner is used there. While it doesn't specify cable length, the implication is that it offers enough flexibility to integrate seamlessly into different environments, making the scanner accessible wherever it's needed. Durability and safety are paramount when it comes to power supplies, and the CJP-Geek adapter seems to deliver on both fronts. It boasts an excellent material construction, featuring a sturdy, flame-retardant exterior shell. This isn't just for show. It's designed to protect the internal components from everyday wear and tear, guarding against scratches, bumps, drops, and even pressure. This enhanced longevity means users can expect this power supply to stand the test of time, keeping their scanner operational for years to come. Perhaps the most critical feature for peace of mind is the comprehensive built-in protection. This wall charger power supply includes safeguards against overvoltage, overcurrent, and short circuits, along with input protection. These are not just buzzwords. They are essential safety mechanisms that ensure the power supply operates normally and, more importantly, protects the connected Epson scanner from potential electrical damage. This all-round guarantee of safe and normal use is a significant advantage, especially when powering sensitive electronics. So, for anyone whose original Epson 1260 scanner power supply has given up the ghost, or who simply wants a reliable, well-protected replacement, the CJP-Geek AC-DC adapter appears to be a compelling option. It promises to revive that classic scanner with a steady, safe, and globally compatible power source, ensuring that those old documents and photos can continue to be digitized without a hitch. It's a practical solution that prioritizes both functionality and user safety.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.